we need to say a big thank you and congrats to Professor Monica Betancourt for putting this together, because I think that this couldn't be more timely in such a turbulent world that we live today. We saw how critically important is cell biology in understanding, but also addressing climate change, but also climate resilience. And those two themes, climate change and how to address it and how to understand that, it's really one of the big pillars of diversity, equity and inclusion in this sustainability front. So we at Merck, we believe really that it's possible to also contribute with science and innovation to make the world a better place to live. So meetings like this are always a matter of support for us at Merck.